Education Minister Dr. Thokchom Radheshyam today launched the first educational TV channel of Manipur, Lyric, through TOMTV at his office in New Secretariat, Imphal. Speaking to media persons at the launch event, Radheshyam stated that the channel will benefit both the students and teachers. Coronavirus cases in India is close to transcend the 9.50 lakh mark due to the rapidly increasing COVID-19 infections in the country. India has registered a record spike of 29,429 coronavirus cases, pushing the country's tally to 9,36,181. The death toll has climbed to 24,309 with 582 new fatalities due to the COVID-19 infection. Manipur's COVID-19 tally rose to 17,000 after 28 fresh cases were registered in the last 24 hours. According to COVID-19 Command Control Room, the fresh cases were confirmed at the Viral Research and Diagnostic Laboratories of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS, Imphal and Sub-District Hospital, Jiribam. A major landslide occurred along a 150-meter stretch of Imphal-Tinsit Road near Mega Manipur School in the wee hours. Traffic movement has been completely halted due to the landslide. Tinsit Road Protection and Development Committee expressed anger over the incident, alleging government negligence. An earthquake measuring 4.1 magnitude on the Richter scale rocked Tripura today. The tremor was also felt in Karimganj district of Assam. The earthquake occurred at around 7:57 this morning. The epicenter of the earthquake was 30 km northeast of Dharmanagar and 18 km depth, according to the National Center of Seismology. However, no damage or loss of human lives were reported. A team of New Life Foundation Manipur, Childline Bisnupur, relatives and staff of Imphal Airport yesterday rescued a 7-year-old girl from falling victim to human trafficking. According to our Bisnupur correspondent, the girl belonging to Meitei Muslim community hails from Moirang. She was about to leave the state for Kolkata after a man reportedly sent her an Indigo flight ticket. The second wave of flood has affected a population of 5,51,207, inundating 544 villages and submerged over about 10,000 hectares of cropland in Assam's Dhubri district. According to the Delhi flood report by the District Disaster Management Authority under Dhubri Revenue Circle, 96 villages and a population of 207,014 have so far been affected by the ongoing flood. After the Rajasthan Speaker sent disqualification notices to Sachin Pilot and 18 MLAs of his camp, the rebel leader is now planning to move the Supreme Court. Sachin Pilot has been consulting his lawyers to appeal to the Supreme Court against the disqualification notices as per media reports.